Good morning, everyone. This is Swetha Garaga. I'm working as a senior software developer at Fluid. I have 11 years of software development experience, and during my career, I worked as a senior software developer at KPI, which is a logistics handling company. Something that always stuck my mind while I was working there is balancing automation and equity in modern warehouses. So, today I want to talk about a topic that sits at the intersection of technology, ethics, and labor, which is human centered automation, specifically within the context of modern warehousing. As we all know, the warehouse industry has undergone a massive transformation. With the rise of e commerce, especially after the pandemic, demand for speed, accuracy, and scalability has pushed warehouse industry to adopt automation at an unprecedented rate. Robots sort packages, AI tracks inventory, and predictive algorithms optimize logistics. But here is the question. Are we designing the systems just for efficiency or also for people? So the challenge here is efficiency versus equity. Traditionally, automation has been seen as a way to cut costs and increase output, often at the expense of human workers. So there's a real fear here. Will machines replace us? Well, human centered automation offers a different perspective. It's not about replacing people, it's about empowering them. It's about using automations to make your work more safer, more dignified, and more equitable while still achieving high levels of efficiency. So, what is human centered automation? Human centered automation means designing systems around human needs and capabilities, not despite them. It's giving workers more control, not less. It's using robots to do the dangerous, repetitive, or physically exhausting tasks so humans can focus on decision making, problem solving, and creativity. It's designing interfaces and workflows that are intuitive and inclusive, not just technically efficient. Take wearable tech for example. Smart exoskeletons now assist workers in lifting heavy loads, reducing injuries and fatigue, making physically demanding jobs sustainable over the long term. Now let's talk about equity. Automation can deepen inequality if we are not careful, but with intention, it can also narrow it. With the right tools, we can make warehouse jobs more accessible to people with disabilities. So, human centered automation helps diversify the workforce and elevate opportunities rather than leaving certain groups behind. One real world example is Ocado, a UK based online grocer. They use a mix of robots and humans in their warehouses. Robots do the heavy lifting and retrieval, while humans handle tasks that require judgment and dexterity. Instead of eliminating jobs, they have shifted roles, upskilling workers and moving them into more strategic positions like robot maintenance, quality assurance, and data monitoring. So, this is a model that we can learn from. So, how do we move forward? Well, there are some actions that we can take to bridge the gap. First is investing in training. Automation should come with upskilling programs, not pink slips. So, invest in comprehensive training, intensive skill development programs. And it is proven to have strong return on training investment. So, and also reduce the turnover. So, higher retention through career development. Here are some policy solutions that can drive us to success. Offer them tiered benefits, support systems for transitioning workers, design with empathy, include workers in the design process of these automated systems, offer tax incentives, and education reforms. So we have accelerated career transition pathways and measure success holistically, not just in terms of output, but in terms of well being, inclusion, and long term resilience. So, to wrap up, automation isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool, and like any other tool, its impact depends on how we use it. If we take a human centered approach, we don't have to choose between equity and efficiency, we can achieve both. Thank you.